Title: A Beautiful Lesson in Purity and Equality. Wudu teaches us unity. Assalam Alaikum, my beloved brothers and sisters. In today's hadith from the Book of Ablution, we discover how even simple acts like wudu carry deep lessons of faith, respect, and love. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Chapter 43. The performance of ablution by a man along with his wife. The utilization of water remaining after a woman has performed ablution. Umar performed ablution with warm water and with water brought from the house of a Christian woman. Hadith. This hadith teaches us a beautiful lesson about purity, equality, and respect in Islam, narrated by Abdullah bin Umar, may Allah be pleased with him. During the lifetime of Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, men and women used to perform ablution together, and it is also reported that Umar ibn al-Khattab performed ablution with warm water that was brought from the house of a Christian woman. Subhanallah, these simple actions carry deep meanings. First, this hadith shows that Islam values purity for everyone, men and women alike. Wudu is not just washing, it's a spiritual cleansing that connects us to Allah before prayer. Second, it teaches modesty with balance. Men and women could share water respectfully without any wrong intentions. Islam encouraged purity of both body and heart. And third, it shows tolerance and kindness towards non-Muslims. Umar, radiyallahu anhu, accepted water from a Christian woman without hesitation, showing that Islam teaches respect and cooperation with everyone, no matter their faith. So, the next time you perform wudu, remember, it's more than cleaning your body. It's washing away sins, softening your heart, and reminding you that all believers are equal in the sight of Allah. May Allah purify our hearts as He purifies our limbs. My lovely viewers, please subscribe to my channel so we can grow our beautiful Islamic community together. Take care of yourselves and always keep smiling, because smiling is sunnah.